Question number 1. Select the correct form of the verb for present simple tense. He dash to the gym. The right answer is option C, goes. Question number 2. Choose the correct form of the verb for past simple tense. They dash in new car last week. The right answer is option D, bought. Question number 3. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. The right answer is option C, beautifully. Question number 4. Which word in the sentence is a conjunction? He is smart and hardworking. The right answer is option C, and. Question number 5. Select the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. The right answer is option A, on. Question number 6. Choose the correct article. I need dash umbrella. The right answer is option B, an. Question number 7. Identify the pronoun in the sentence. They are going to the party. The right answer is option A, they. Question number 8. Which word is a verb in the sentence? She quickly finished her homework. The right answer is option B, finished. Question number 9. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The beautiful flower bloomed in the garden. The right answer is option A, beautiful. Question number 10. Which word is an interjection? The right answer is option A, wow. Question number 11. Choose the correct preposition. She arrived dash the airport on time. The right answer is option A, at. Question number 12. Identify the correct past tense form of run. The right answer is option B, run. Question number 13. Choose the correct article. Can you pass me dash salt? The right answer is option C, the. Question number 14. Select the correct preposition. He is sitting dash the chair. The right answer is option A, on. Question number 15. Which word is a verb in the sentence the bird sings every morning? The right answer is option B, sings. Question number 16. Choose the correct article. Dash book on the table is mine. The right answer is option C, the. Question number 17. Which word is a conjunction? The right answer is option A, and. Question number 18. Choose the correct preposition. The picture is hanging dash the wall. The right answer is option A, on. Question number 19. Identify the correct form of the verb. She dash the best. The right answer is option B, sings. Question number 20. Choose the correct article. This is dash interesting book. The right answer is option B, an.